Revelation ini preaching sama ini patah. Sudah, kami sudah jalan awal saya itu dia bertak leh ahi. How to pop pasal chapter 1 dia. Yesus Kristus akhlaknya introduce kita. Akibat les anak hangzai the Alpha and Omega, the first and the last. Kenapa kerana ini chapter 1 is the introduction of Jesus Christ by himself. Si John Kirak ni chapter 2 and 3 si dan hope pok di in chapter 2 and 3 Christ was supervising his church, standing among the churches, 7 churches, and he was supervising the church, and 7 important ideal characteristics of the church is seen there in 2 chapters. Jadi the Timothy chapter 4 and 5 we saw Christ sharing the throne with the Father in the heavenly realm. Chapter 4 and 5 Aba will share saji itu nasabangnya. Jadi chapter 6 and 7 di mana kahang pada. Atang asing song di yang nau hina. Kecuali aba will sing that the scroll di kerami baik kita silji kelak baik the John na kecapaji. Yesus Kristus na rapi hauga. Yesus Kristus na kelami seru begini. Awi kelami bersyak Yesus Kristus di berat dan tanggal lega mesot kami itu na tei. Jadi itu na 7 and 8 dia. Matang silji. Matang Yesus Kristus kelama mandi. Jadi 6 seals were open. Jiliki matai la aina. Itu na Jewish ni na kami sikui sorasan, sikui ke jerla, sikui ke humla, sikui ke sikla. Jadi asyik tu jangan jerla macam sikui la. Jihosok laga hina hangla proves that Christ is the master and the Lord of the history. History is papa random mena maramane, but with the permission and in the presence of God, the history was unfolding. Then in chapter 6, aina. 7 jiri itu nak ji kehidupan kami. Kali kiwi alung li kita ada sikui bihi semua nak jot kejarah bihi. Yesus bergaya kita ada jot kejarah orang ada mimpin na ning mengerti. Awang ngaping hudeng na sok terkele. Sok sini ngaji lagi yang tu lagi lung polis lo polis pin lo dah atun na ringai. But they never did repent. They want to take after that. And last week, chapter 8, 9, 10, 11, ke tumji, itu na last week sini yang sambang ni. Jadi 7 seal tu open sa ke ki ke macam sama. Masai ko kai. Terus di kesinggau na census ni ka. Since we pray and so the census we make to keep round hali, kesinggau ni chokai. San bills of hunger. Rirana awing a hunger ka as a saga. Likhan na say laga, chili, the sing musum laga, awing a hunger committee, it na the taste and banging. The chili, aching jili ta ka mathang itu minna chon thang khiang chan natural kada calamities so environmental calamities so gen economic chaos is so laga matai laina barbarian bigna kaja kada achai rei mak le civilized na sa kada tamang ting highway ning na kamun kachi shuna kisa hiwi akam hili jishuna repent sa vai ning na tay vai we be jili holds ka repentancy itu na jili la ka thai masam hang we shit mali ke hi pai li matai la aina itu na to nam Sunday jili scroll the tien nào ác John Lee Queen sắp được ai sai tam sắp không only sim lắc cuộc lòng lý ta khảo khi lên cái gospel with message with how we trees he was asked to eat them and after he had eaten there was bitterness in his stomach and the burden was laid in his heart in the heart of John to preach the gospel to the world, and the same responsibility is given to the church today. Isi church in the and we saw two witnesses who were killed later on after they shared the gospel. Atum kanini sila ring sok yung nasak daga birana ring sok nasak ring nachi na da migay ka na birana ring kangate ka ba kangate ka natin kapang nasak Jisuli ko isang bilang ko isang bilang tanda ba kanaw bicara rali pamsang pura gaji pagi cina citei laga acing jili 7 trumpet si kong jita acing li rirawi ungram ra hai Yesus Kristus mengai ni sebagai laga kesini kamu so laga rirawi ungram kong li kami sun kalau di kami opo rirawi mercy extend sana lazy itu najon menjadi laga kupsam Kacau tentang Sunday jili preaching kita hai jili dah tu kiak ni kip ni kita betul mana? Kaya na respond sa akin na jacket tu mikai tu respond sa akin ni. Kacau tentang Sunday di isu offering ni kuis na Lord Supper jili akan ada isu general offering. Laga Lord Supper offering bahin na general ni double jatui hai. Kangate tang ni general isu na kui bahin na Lord Supper offering ni sunai de. Dia tu pilih ka respond positif siapa ba? Issue emphasis pa last week na tayo ina gospel share sa may ito may surutang plumay Kristo may mga lidok sa bagirang rumdaga ito may awpa hasok ng jiji without ito may kasiri kada magsipi pa yung aka chipa ina siyang pilaga iwinili encouragement sa pangit Acts chapter 12 really mainly there are three characters 12 really to the younger here Sunau akka now by hai laborly kesam sunau hai jene hili khang te akka dragon akka le te chi na mariwi sector kam sui si le ko kong akka na sa gi now bra ta ji la it in the chapter 12 hili the face Jadi hili matai lah ina chapter 5 ina 9 liam maka 9 ba hili kiam jitran dragon jitpa le here matai explain ham ya chapter 9 li the identity of the dragon is already clearly explained in verse 9 of chapter 12 Jadi dragon hili ka thada hangs da he is the ancient serpent called the devil Satan who leads the whole world astray. He was Jana opportunity the tongli with the Tangazata. Kala Chipi Peru the Sarapati Dragon Jine Chipati baby. Jana chapter verse 5 Filiamaka Kanao Chipaglers the Pumpala Kawai Malay Chipati Chanda Musam it the number 2 9 the Hadi Yangula. Kipa do ci sindi baji Messiah ne ci Christi ne ci shengang ne Kakipala who is this woman who is the labor are we now rule the now prophet dragon and now the shy by the right of lake shina wa he kipagale chipasi matai la ina mahola kahaya Catholic people translation interpretation he marinated to tree yang apa ada marry lang reach kai mun la yang zan individually kahang personally individual here corporate figure itu na case apa sih lalu matai lang in national apa maram hi verse 1 di kahang baje awi ali nabai mi dak lei yang ra the woman clothed with the sun with the moon under her feet and the crown of 12 stars on her head. What itu di Genesis we Karewi Joseph we mangji pening sakaka sinikla
Zangla Israel sang tadakni sang da kalewi
asam sila itu ni pening sak Mary di ari di ham da Krishna ba di rek ada pursue sa da masamun Joseph and Mary atam da suk ba Herod atam di Egypt yang ba atam lei kachili ka hangni ni we numbers ni alma 1260 days ka yang lai 3 years and a half years 3.5 years ka da compare sa jadi 42 months to compare sa di last chapter itu he complete church with singkung li hang da ring just with first coming and the second coming only church with ring da ring atam he symbolically singkung hiya ka di mahang ka symbolically to complete years he express sadly jadi sina he scholars tu mana sih kesangbawa kile dia here Old Testament and New Testament sih kesangbapi Yesus Kristus he samthada kani Israel ka pangwi ka ai tu mangai na Yesus Kristus ni kumowe chanzamin hangga ali sini prata musafir sini cuma ina Yesus Kristus ya Old Testament ni prophesy sa ai tu fulfillment in New Testament ni rasa pangwi jadi Genesis 3 kala 15 ni tu napapok ka siya na perungi yang ka kerinji dia na hopok mesti laga perungi dia akui nai kai Yesus Kristus na cross di radam di awe akui nai kai baji itu na the theism bang cui bangai na the chung kana maya sel ke sit sambaji here individuals sina mani ka here church ne kare Old Testament saints be kala atsu New Testament church pe marama shina ba hili pursue besahi now ba hili parata kaleu da kui le de singram ni kui ka ti hawe Yesus Kristus ni singram ni kui ka ti hawe kachini pe le ana singrom thurana ham ji te na thurana pa mai se ham ka para la ka ale kui ka ti hawe chui bang ina pelu de sara dragon wi melung ka ba ti sang shina ba hili short ke shina ba hili rek Aksu Yesus Kristus na kayu rinji itu di milaga tuyai salana itu dingli jipina na reka korek awe bangsa na awe atam suaire jikai laga ana reka korek si mumsam hili matai la ina itu na Daniel wilai tu sak bang Michael kesu aming la taisan bang ari kre pasia apa hang hai kata kre sin pasi now prau gi chuna bai na prata la kai parata yang now kuika fe hai na dragon ni na alu baji ali reka kre ke Jewish roji itu na sini so tingga sakani hamsu sini so bang itu na the theism bang ka our church ni or jung our saints ni we run a protection ni ali ngat mi laga Satan jina maybe na sak na dragon jina maybe na sak na theism bang chui kini tu na sinna ka thai bishop ji pa je senen wena a ching ji ni pata ka sing mo sin Michael aina awi ka sing rau ping aina dragon aina kamio ping mak pa ji bi bi jing ru laga ngata ro laga dragon ni bang shap ji thrin sa ru bang shap ji mabang na tu da ali over twili hertawe ke ji pa ji herta hai wi chili ki hang then I heard a loud voice in heaven says now hath come the salvation and the power and the kingdom of our God and the authority of His Christ. Yesus Kristus we pangsapji ana of twili rais. He for the accuser of our brothers who accuses him before God day and night has been hurled down. They overcame him by the blood of the Lamb and by the word of their testimony. Yesus Kristus da Gesing abang sili we rawa abang sili rai rada abang Michael through ina Satan to be here dawe yuyaw sili. Chui bang ina ana Satan ba hili awe sak sepang sabji sasman gahai Christian defeat sa gahai kasi paji ikum li Bible li sa the chui lap ina vow la hang easy. Because Satan in the Kisab has come, not only leading astray, but they continuously accuse against the brethren, the believers, in front of God. She accused her. She it would be real. She be at some around me, Muslim below, but he, if it be Bible, Hamzi, come at Taya, accuse the sap that she buy away Kanazani more. Just Christian, you high salala, individual very shipping, it would be partly, none of some gauge. Nala, just Christian tradition, Sangaga, away a she did appear Nijitar car service. Just not to be you loga, and a my she I'm a salada, up to over Twilly, Chipina Kabunga, Ukulunga Jungale. Many of us are still controlled by the power of that evil one, the old serpent, the one who accused before the throne of God, because you allow yourself to be done like that. If you are not a part of the blood of the Lord Jesus Christ, you are still under the bondage of sin. Satan and the torment every time it will shift to something now really hang the lady. No testimony in the Ninka the Shaki Sashi Ram. No, it is the we need a high to show it, not a son of Pongitran, to be here powerless. His power is already limited. And he is conscious of this time constraint. Our time like in a young machine, we rally me easily. That had the reaction of the body our to kill when the dragon saw that he had been hurled to the earth, he pursued the woman who had given birth to the male child. Kiwigang in Shuna Bajli, and we shoot it to go. Ali here, I want Shuna really wreck Vaisla. A Tongan Old Testament with fulfillment to Shudira, Prata, and Timia, and so on the Zimbabwe. Later, Kipa, Shuna Kipa, the church, the community of believers. Into nature. Then Satan, he could have good bookies at them, he be conscious. I will be wreck. We run a Satan will grab on the horse on the Amazon one little, the children run a knock community. Each of the temptation, crab, trials, crab, persecution, cry, Tiliman money, it's a young socks of white cream in India and me this day. Tomana, Hilly Hand the liver, Chitada, Awi, Shuna Bahi, we ran a Amazon little, Chitada, young tomb service. Then the dragon was enraged. Then, and the woman and went off to make war against the rest of her offspring, those who obey God's commands and hold to the testimony of Jesus. And the dragon stood on the shore of the sea. Testimony share the sabing ji. Satan atuli rek vice eyes. None of the Rowdy Gahanka and injury Laga. No, we just know we make high testimony. Share and share. Every time you share your testimony, you are strengthened, you are emboldened. Actually, you benefit much more than those who are listening to your testimony. Brother from, say, Orissa. That's true to every one of us. No, we testimony in share. Come soon as Shaki in the Sabbath. No, it's strengthened Sabbath day. She really my shoes up today. Mercury to wait to testimony, Tao Tao Luga, Kriamu Luga, Hangish in the Mahan, a Tabrade, Chi, we might be gone. Can we hang the Baba? Chita the dragons, the Hangana, the testimony shares other plagues, persecutes high. Katanada repeated. This is a third cycle where we saw the conflict, Jaina, Chili, persecution, and then victory and celebration. Celebrate Salvi his party. He we alum tung celebrate side ka aga persecute sala anami unity. Chili 13th chapter reads in the Kitaglas the Sayur, a beast from the sea. Nayu the Sayur of Sopra size. Dragon in the Nayi among the name side, but not for long. He had an alliance. Ali the room Gwaii, allies in the Sopra side. The first one is the beast from the sea. Who is this? the beast from the sea. Our description here, Mahalak Aina describes us. 10 crowns on his horns. Laga Akui Shini. Kachiwi Akui Binsley, we home Binsley, could be some night a blasphemous name. The Shin the sea, Kachipal, Murkashi, Kirido, Mataila Ina, Rivana. And the beast so resembled a leopard, but had feet like those of bear, and the mouth like that of a lion. He will tomb he. Old Testament Daniel like here. Atumi Auma success Auma the tomb the Janjam Salaha. Kahipa New Testament here. Katumti combined Salaga. Beast ugly, Sa ugly as a plea. Hilly Jansa Howison. Then the dragon is Pasina, Hipa beastly. Ali authority me, umpa me, power me, Jesus. The dragon gave the beast his power, his throne, and his great authority. Jena hili midakle sayuba yui akuya akuya satsu gai akle ismo. Kasatsu gai ji. The wound, fatal wound was healed very soon. Jena mikato maji mata kap nga hauka. Over China. Sadly, they followed the beast because of the healing. Then he keep up there. 18
young son. This call for wisdom.
If any has insight, let him calculate the number of the beast, for it is the man's number. His number is 666. 666. It's 6 minutes now. Kahili hang the Flipahi, Hila, Revelation Kiamra, number no Asapuno Sarno, Jung is in Mozambique. Number Hila, Atuna Hambaba, symbolical number. Kamikumo showing a calculate salad and jack a cup. Hebrew is syllabus young a cup. Ariwi, Nero Caesar, Nero Aunga. The Caesar, the Aunga, Nero Aunga, which he number in the letter Soxan 666 Pokis. Kachitada, Niwi, the Akmang, Rinrich, the Ane, his Basi Atum. The Chuna Mayasa, Kahili Chivilan made a hang the Kalination. Even the Revelation, the Yanzan, number 7, the Chung, the Hazel. At the 7, they have a pop, the Rawi. Fence up with a 7 in a hopper. See, Bible we term here 7 here, it's a perfect number. It's a good number. It is not 7 seals the day, 7 trumpet the day, 7 bowls, Rarat, then 7 akong, how kong la, it is the day that 7 churches. 7 is a perfect number. Jena 6 is here, imperfect. Tuyang Aina, G. Billy the whole, Mayor now, Akana, the Hambaba. 666 is here, number the imperfect Sali Hang that it indicates the completeness of sinful incompleteness. Completeness of the sinful incompleteness, you are called. Tadap very number, Rira, which is Jivaninga, Srikata number 6, Katihi, Kakashunga. More we maka shungi perfect number ni dinama. Si nero limang maning salala. Hiwi number na hang the lepa here. Perfect number makning. We rawi number makning. We rawi na sweetata. Imperfect number li hang the lene. Si pasi itum na hindi kaisam bang. Hiwi sayur ba hina ki sado jaka anala awi pangshabji 42 months with exercise size mo. Dragon na alimi, atan ng 42 months, 3.5 years, 1,260 days. He ketungod ko may chapsok at tanray jasir numbers. Hey na hang isip ni he church we complete age ni hang the training. Jisurak he rak na we na only church na ringgit we numbers ni. Try na chingkong tingre ting community mahang hermane. Katalo la chui period ni sok kiji what names. Jadi jisu na bahaya lagi begini marah mereka. Oh betul ni herda bahaya. Pars share club higher chipi. Our authority na ship some believe rat and promise have a chipi na. Our supplementally with a sense of urgency, he's running after that woman. The woman to keep out, who is that? That is the present church. Church in China, Arashli, Chishukapraji, Old Testament, we say, the winner, tribe winner. Rashun Laga, we descended in Rakapaji, Christian, miss out the purpose. God tell us how. Come, Adia, who's in a God. Our church later today, issue New Testament church, Chipping lately, pursues out of the man, why, what now the lady. And we want to now at Rungili, he actually 90 young round. He who has an ear, let him hear. If anyone is to go into captivity, he will go. If anyone is to be killed with the sword he will be killed. I will come. I know he can shout at la. He can handle. What is this mean? This calls for the patience, endurance, and faithfulness on the power of the saints. Itu ngataship the son of Bili. Remind Haliship. Kano. Don't give up. Jonah letter he could be Jitara. Attempts we in Lila, Jonah in the Hamada. Let the create the job the Jamsi Sabam business. Jana. We are done to letter he could be Jitran. Atula, comforta, say letter him. Atula Kanglo, Itula John chapter 5-6, Raslan. Same Spina, a locally insolently, key, Ali Rawi Mangali, Ali, Awams out of the high martyr Pinsina. The girlfriend of the Rani, Karan Furlay, round the tree, Nadi to Belinza, General Rana House, not to Tada. Gospel, we want to Gali. After the tea, Missile, yea, it will not jump like a passamon. He but I don't in a queue, let's go. It will be calm the light nation. China, to a gingerly, the beast out of the earth. Malay winners heart for Atom in the ye. Then Malay winner so Saba, the ye, the so Sabasina, dragon of me, authority, Milushika, over 3 inhabitants. The tongue in a sacred body worship Sabai on the street. Magic Ali performs songs of this. Gina Matthew chapter 24, I read from the past and Jesus Christ with Rak, and new and only. Magician being a Kamuya prophet being a Kisara, the Jot is on the church with HD in a high number being read. Matthew chapter 45, he heard something the Tayson Commission. China to really image of that by one hungry. China, me the tongue is Sayui, number 3, quick, why the one. Malay the sock Sabasina. Malay the sock Sawi, Pumps of Primorola, Dragon that Kami, Pumps of Jishinaga. Kai being the day is Salas, the Manila. Dragon in Ama Manila, our allies. Matayla in a he, Rome we governmentally, the handmaids. Romans we persecution. Romans being with idolatry. Romans now being with corruption, with influence. It with church, we atomically college. Kahang name is Basi, it's the Tesapon. A chon tongue, it from the whole box on between reminder. Emperor cult, Matayana, emperorly worship the Sa. Our statutory worship the Sa. He could be a Domitian, Mungalaka, Mohola Lisa. Ka remake up the Chiwi Mangali 29 BC Katawia Damli Matayapina Caesar Augustus Pergamon with city introduced Hami. He AD 14 Optimism the statue Chile Klinga Helga Asia Minor League to temple in Subsi, a drunken church here will only Pergamon, Kamashun, Shaki Sadan, and English. Satan, upon white, a bum, see Pergamon, Hamletly, Matai Lapina, Hipahi, Emperor, currently Kahani, Hipahi, Hang Robin. General Caesar Augustus, Vitili, Tiberius, Caesar Basna, our tradition, the follows up. Augustus na awi mirinra ka bay adam silia city tunra da matili khi ta the statue khang ka la formal worship ji compel sai sa la ga masa ta ji ping jia a chon tang it na spina ulila Antipas long is out the guide church in the jai Antipas is out the kuga because emperorly mukorum divine Jaina asui bishop figura Polycarp long is out the guide chiwi adam we bopam with John the Patmos from the Peter player tam the mung sai commission is pahina Kina 81 to 96 AD will be an mung is Genesis Revelation he 90s Well, only the Pine 80 will only see if the ship the Sanzi is waited up, so apples went run. And we are dumbly on a Mahala, Kahai Stadioka. Ephesus, we city, Kalinga, the commission. Look at the Kalinga on an extreme height. Statues, our statues, we Korum Consumming. Our Praja is the statues, the young Master and God. Akaba, Kalavira. Kejipas address sangat. China abi address sangat ran awi acingli claiming kalau Malay tioping don't address lagi si. Yui kalau saya nak cerita habis. This is a blasphemy. Ini lah. Rawi mengali. He kejipat what ni hisni. He identified himself with God. Our awungan the emperor. Kaya from the 6-7 ketang pada how powerful a king may be for a season, for a period of time. I think Christ is controlling the history. Cui bangai dah pun nak cui bangai. Jadi kata our story fitting sana. Ka ana history aku tam cik determine besar. Cik ada hiri matai lah ina hiri hang dah lepas persecute besar Rome. Kalau idolatry tham dah kelaya emperor culturally hampered to the Rome. Kui bangsa ni jam sada higa hang ni jibaji itu nari kepas ran betul sambang kacangkat ba kenal pas ni sahau se atwa manang sudah kehili Babylon with Harlot hil Rome ni hang arma itu na chapter 17 18 ni ka siang lain the kalau hili matai la ina Kyoru city morally compromise hai dilin kringi Rome ungram gili ana ngang tung ni ka ben explain sana we hili chan sai jena su chapter 12 aina 13 hili matai la aina han da le pa hiya Rome in le at we kmung ma bing su chan la chik sang bing li correct le chik sang bing li thang we da le itu na revelation ya tung song ka yang ka at hili chan 16 13 19 20 10 ka ni false prophet la ho the church will believe false prophet will believe persecute morally intellectually it will be believe compromise sang sab tak leji chui pressure chui alung zili adam chi chan we worship in the ring sai kala tu bi hey ning musita asu na ine I na tai lai ni na knao ta mi hang ngai ban itu la church chi kum ri ok tu de le chi ka da sa I RSS in the university beside personally marapo yung sa isi church may marapo yung sa kaya hindi yun kecil chung soking the rek chung ching the jelly kejang chung kejang sing the kecil itu sawi sa kasi manganin lang nalin morally intellectually o kecui popular opinion na tatanali pressure sa laga nawiningly compromise sa nasa Nawi king kerapin, nawi commitment ni suita nak lagi kejipahi. Hi jipina, shuna abas ni mohon sekata awat kan usuli. Nawi nam kurda bayi sah ini, nana ina tegi jipahi. Jisu Kristus si cantik laga kahang nana laga. Nawi testimony ni mang ning terluka. Itu ngecung hi compromise sahaja diri ruko. Katang ham itu jipiya bayi hai. Itu ni ina ham cine istang kunau jipiya cine. Mga chilang na China, chipili power hitung na the attributes ay. Itu ay kung chimis besang ay attractive. Chipili pang siya pang sa pula. Aju oh kanu besang ne, oh laiwa ne, oh rai ne, oh chipili jang ne. Hingga ta ka dong hi. Chip besang ay magkanatara. Mencuat pang sawis ay ne. Sa ini nang chisala. Chipili wa awi, kasya awi libit awi tingsi. nana rali mani tik the high time Christo ashili nana rulaga no sakhi hine invitation ni high time sipi nani video resurrection sala jaina de rawi tu is like only encourage no English sala chiku sana pingali tumbi basi jehang ngaude lan so the servant